Revitalized. We love to see it. Our fingers are crossed. Give me something good, SeaWorld.
Let's head home and tell the world about our adventure.
There it is, the San Diego version of Journey to Atlantis. It's a ride that holds a special place in this enthusiast's heart. The first ride I personally followed from announcement to opening, reading the construction blogs, watching the towers rise with anticipation on my route to and from school every day. And from the pass holder preview 21 years ago until today, I have ridden it so many times it would be impossible to determine even an estimate. But over the years, I've watched my local water coaster lose many of the original effects and diminish into a shell of its original experience, something I've been previously vocal about on this channel.
At this point, it's genuinely like kind of creepy in here. And like not in a fun way. But here goes nothing.
So I have excitedly and patiently watched as SeaWorld spent many months working on this ride with the promise of revitalizing the experience. The signs around the park right now spark definite intrigue for how incorporating a Kraken into this ride might make for a fresh and exciting experience. Or maybe it'll just be an underwhelming combination of the same thematic SeaWorld tropes. If there's one thing I've learned over the years with this park, it's to always be cautiously optimistic when it comes to new projects. But no matter what, I'm still excited to see what they've done with it.
It's a perfect day in San Diego for a water coaster. Let's go check out this revitalized Journey to Atlantis. Woo! Revitalized, new and improved. We love to see it. Something about a Kraken, apparently, from what I saw in the queue.
What if they're warning us to stay away?
Let's do it. Gotta love it. But that was never the issue here. First drop was never the problem. It's what lies just up ahead. That was always the letdown. So let's see what they did with it. My fingers are crossed. Give me something good, SeaWorld. Come on.
All right, we just gotta pause this for a second. That's the Kraken. The Kraken we've been led to believe is so fierce and fearsome. I didn't expect all that much. It is SeaWorld, but like, that's an octopus, man. And just a silhouette for a brief second. I really don't want to hate on SeaWorld. I want to love the offerings here, but many months and so much hype about the Kraken for that. It just had to be said. I'm sorry. Okay, let's get back to the ride.
Is that the... Oh no. The Kraken!
I think that's it.
Hurry! The Kraken's after us!
We're almost there. I see a break in the tunnel above.
Hold on tight! Engaging emergency thrusters! Let's outrun this beast!
Underwhelming SeaWorld. I'm underwhelmed, man. Oh. SeaWorld. Many, many months. For one projection and some light theming. You hate to see it. I expected it to be the case. I had a feeling, but what can you do? I used to get a good view of Emperor from the bottom. Oh man, SeaWorld San Diego. What a park, man, what a park. Only at SeaWorld San Diego do you find such consistent mediocrity. What a joy to have this be your home park. Now we sit in the ride vehicle for 5 to 10 minutes as the inefficient unload process takes place. But we did it. We saved Atlantis, we escaped the Kraken.
We did it again, team! Now let's head home and tell the world about our adventure!
We did it again. That's it for me, y'all.
We did it again, team! Now let's head home and tell the world about our adventure!
It's the boats behind me.
One time for the underdogs, all the square pegs, never quite fitting in and couldn't care less.